In front of me is NOKIA 1.3, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the list of all apps and go to settings. Here pick display, and now click on wallpaper right here. And as you can see, now you need to pick the album that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be one from your own photos or one from the prepared albums like landscapes, textures, on-device wallpapers and so on. And let me pick, for example, art. And here you can smoothly mark the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. And it can be, for example, this one. If you want it as your home screen, just tap on Set Wallpaper and then pick if it should cover your home screen only, your lock screen, or both of them. And I will pick both. And as you can see, from now on, you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this picture. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.